Yo, what up YouTube reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys. So this is just going to be a fast follow-up video. I had a whole series that I was going to do for this, but I need to do a fast PSA because it's regarding towards these sabers that I purchased right here. One is not a purchase, one is a purchase, and one is a replacement, and I'm going to show you why. Now, do not buy from this company right here. The name of the company is called KYsaber store. Do not, and I repeat, do not buy sabers from them. You can get these sabers from other sellers. You can actually go to the main seller that sells this and makes this, which is called X-Tech. So these are the makers of this saber. I already reached out to X-Tech and explained to them what was going on. They also said that they got complaints about this particular store, saying that this store just does not want to cooperate with nobody, and that you know, so basically, long story short, I was trying to do a collaboration with them. I purchased the saber and they sent me a defective saber. Now in the videos that you've seen in unboxing, I'm going to show you a little bit of snip clips and stuff like that. When I unboxed it, I didn't show certain things. I showed you some of the scuffs and things like that. I didn't show you things like a lot of the angles and stuff like that. Trying to I basically try to keep my hand over it of a lot of the parts on it. But I received this saber completely damaged, defective, and when I got the replacement, if you see my video of my second unboxing, you notice that I seen things that wasn't in my original one. Then after I fully broke it down, I found out that the saber that I originally had was defective. So let's just get to it right here. So as you can see right here, you can see all those dings and stuff right there. This is the parts that I didn't show you guys. That right there, I didn't show you that neither. I try to keep it covered because I was doing a review for this company and I was trying to make this saber as best as I could. They literally said I damaged it, which I did not. I didn't take this saber apart until after I did my second video, and that's when y'all see me do the unboxing of this one, which I'll be showing some snip clips of that. After I received this one, I found out there's things that actually move it. Now I spent like almost a week trying to ask them how to remove this part. They would not tell me how to remove the part, whatever like that. So I reached out to X-Tech sabers that basically makes these. After I found out when I just got the new saber of how it actually removes, basically what happens is that X-Tech basically told me that, oh, it's the part that you're supposed to remove off of it like that. And I explained to them the situation. They said, no, if that was what's happening with the saber, that means they sent me a defective saber that they basically destroyed. So if you see my previous video of my review for the saber, I told you how I had to sand down inside of here, how I had to basically get some sanding paper and I had to move stuff out the way just so I can get inside here and put a blade in. Also on top of it, I want to show some pictures. The first blade that I got was defective, broken. I had to basically glue it back together, which in the email, which I'm going to show you right now, how they told me to just glue it back. You don't tell a customer just glue it back. You're supposed to replace that item that's defective or broken. Not only that, I showed them different things what was going on, and also with the second blade I got, y'all see an unboxing for that one. I'm gonna show clips of that one. That the box was basically all ripped up and stuff like that. The foam was ripped up. The plastic on side the blade was all missing and stuff like that. I literally had to buy NeoPixels and stuff like that to fix it. I had to resolder the board, take the thing apart, to resolder the parts that they said that they did not do, which I have everything on freaking video. So that being said, yeah, do not buy any lightsabers from KYsaber store on AliExpress. If you are going to buy it, I mean, you can get it from different sellers. You might see it for like $150, $180. This is the one thing I want you guys to do pay attention to, because KYsaber's store is a little sneaky. They're very sneaky. But there's 3 sets that you can buy on AliExpress, which the sets is basically this. You get one that's like this. Then you get another one that has the crystal. It's going to be a brownish color. Then you're going to have one that's going to be like a weathered color. Then you'll have this one that's this color gold. right? You're also going to have another one that's going to be brownish color with this finish, and you're going to have another one that's going to actually be like a greenish color. They also have another one that's purple. All right. So when you go to the stores and you see this saber for $150 or $180, make sure you pay attention to it. Also, be careful with it because they do sell these sabers right here without the blade, which this is $150. With the blade, it's about the whole set with the blade plugs and everything like that. With which one is this one right here? With the blade plug inside of it, actually like that, it comes out to $180. You get the charger and stuff like that. But yeah, don't buy it. If you go on AliExpress, do not buy from KYsaber store. All right, this is how it looks, like that. This is the part I wanted to show you guys. So when you remove this, right? This part, remember I said this part is supposed to remove down. As you can see right here, that one moved like that. I found out before eXtremeRate told me that this part right here moves. And it's supposed to pull all the parts down. Because this saber is defective, you can't pull it down, and that's the problem towards it. When I go towards the new saber, which is right here, you just unscrew it. And you can see this is already loose like that. You just take this and you pull it out. Just like that. And it allows you to get to each screws right there. To take this off, to get to the other connector part, which is inside there. As you can see the connector. If I can get that thing to focus. Right about, can I get it to focus a little? Right there. That's the right there. You can see that connector right there. So that allows you to get to that part of the connector right there and be able to take this off and replace it if you have any damage. I will make an up-to-date video showing you how to take down this entire saber piece by piece. All right, guys. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One.